Hello and welcome to the first lecture of building an e-commerce app with web admin panel. In this lecture, we are going to create a Flutter project. And to create a Flutter project, what we can do is we can go to the directory where we would love to create the project. And for me, I'm going to be creating mine in the desktop directory. Okay. Now, what I have to do is to say cd. Cd means change directory, and then I can say the name of the directory I want to create this project is in the desktop. Okay. And to create a Flutter project, we simply have to say Flutter and then create. And what is the name of the project? I'm going to call my mark underscore store underscore app. But feel free to call yours whatsoever you so desire. Then after, I'm going to click on enter. Okay, and you can see creating project, and this will take some time to create depending on your internet connection. And the project has been successfully created, and what we have to do now is to go into the created project. Okay, we can copy this and paste this over here. Okay, and to open it on VS Code, we can simply say code, then space and dot. Okay, waiting for this. Okay, great. You can see Mark, Store App, or whatsoever you called yours.